Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Going to kick off my tinker day by pulling this windshield. It's in pretty good shape. Got a little bit of scratches on it from dogs climbing on it, stuff like that. I'm gonna put this in that white car we've been putting together. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. And after that, I'm gonna pull the windshield out of that other car and then install this one on that car, fix the steering wheel, stuff like that, and we should be good to go. So let me find my tools that I used to cut out the windshield. Successfully cut the glass out of this one. You can see all the sealant that's still on there. Now I didn't realize this, but Volvo put a couple of brackets right there. Now right here is the one we cut out of the other car that's broken. And then, as you can suspect, there's caulking and sealant left on the glass. And we took that, just took a razor blade and walked around the glass and just shaved that off. I think we have a better chance of getting that thing sealed without any leakage. Just walked the razor blade around there and it sliced it right off. Did the same thing around here to get this better. So we're going to put it up against there and see if the glass actually rests on here or how that sits. This may be a double-sided sticky tape to stick on the glass so that the glass stays in a good position. But we're about to find out because we're about to put that on. I do have some double-sided molding tape I could put on there. This is hard. That tape is kind of cushiony. So I bet you the glass sits right along the bottom edge of that. It's like a measuring device. So that's my little glass removal tool. I want you guys to see what happens to the top of the dash when you get into an accident and the airbags go off. It explodes all that plastic, just blows all that stuff apart. You got to replace the dash. We're going to take the window and set it in here. The glass will hang down about that far according to the tape marks that was on the glass. We're going to set the glass in place, push it up here, assuming this is a stop. Stop there, stop on the other side. And then we're going to roll this tape on it, and two on the top and one on the side to mark where the glass is going to be. Then I'm going to put the caulking in. Then we're going to set the glass in right where those marks are. I cut a V in the tip of the caulking gun, so hopefully I'll be able to caulk down here, and this V will leave a mountaintop type of peak on the caulking I'm about to lay. I got a piece of tape here as a guide, piece of tape there as a guide, here's a guide, there's a guide. Then I'm going to use these to hold it. When I put the glass up here, I'm going to bump it up against here. Seems like the thing to do. And then I'm going to take these sticky things off and set the window down on this, and hopefully this will hold the bottom of the window down. So as soon as my helper cleans the glass surface off with some kind of alcohol or something, I'm gonna lay the bead, and then we're gonna set the glass up here. That little slit I had is doing really good, but I want it to be a little thicker. So I cut the slit a little bit thicker on the tip of the deal. I'm gonna go ahead and caulk around there. But I need this guy to come out here and wipe this glass down so you make sure this sticks. Windshield is installed. As you can see, our alignment is still good. Up there, pretty much against the stop. Set the window down, pressed it a little bit. Didn't really work it that much. Just wanted to make sure it had contact around it. All the way around. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holding it, stopping it from sliding, plus these 2 strips on the bottom. So I'm trusting that that windshield will never leak. Got this busted dash out. I'm a guy now. I always swap the wire harness. So I'm gonna tear the wire harness out of here. Then I'm gonna support the mounts on that one. Tear the wire harness out of that one. Put this wire harness in that one. It's just too risky with Volvo with their wire harness changes all the time. Wire harness is tricky the way it's run. I got this stuff under here, running through here, across here, over here, down around there. So let me run it that way, and then that thing goes like that. This dash has had some repairs across it, so I painted it black. I gotta hit that with some flat black, but I'm supporting these mounts. None of these mounts had any cracks on them. I don't know if you remember that. So I'm supporting those, and then I'm gonna put this thing in the car. Ran out of time doing that dash. We set the dash in place. I forgot to put the glove box support in there. I'll do that tomorrow. Hoping we just got an hour and a half worth of work left on that car, and they'll be driving that thing. So that's it for today. Catch you guys tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.